Edo state government not abandon Edo people as them still get plenty ogbonge things to share for warehouse. Until the wey dey fly say Edo state palliative warehouse don empty and say dem no dey distribute relief packages give Edo people again. Na make our news crew come carry waka go the warehouse to go show Edo people how e dey really be for there and to carry the truth on top this matter come out as e really be. The items wey we see for there na plenty cartons of spaghetti, plenty bags of rice, beans, sugar, semovita and flour, plenty gallons of groundnut oil and red oil, plenty containers of water, malt and other minerals wey Edo state government dey send go isolation centers and give people wey dey front line of this Yamayama disease. Our eyes still see cheese balls and noodles for children for inside Edo state warehouse. Ayuba Sedenu, wey be the director of operations for the palliative matter, Konyanti Life Media Crew, say the items wey dey for ground so still dey there because dem never gum stickers put, and say by this weekend dem go don distribute am finish. On top the tori say dem no dey distribute palliatives give Edo people again, e come tell us how dem dey really do am.
Spaghetti flow. This one I will have about 23,000 cartons. The only thing that is left now is to put government sticker. Once we don't put that sticker, they will go out. This one is a combo pack from Dangote Foods. Now 10,000 cartons. They're done ready to go out. This combo pack, you get rice, you get oil, you get salt, you get beans, you get spaghetti and macaroni inside, all in this pack. The items what we get from VSF, Victim Support Funds, but the one when reach Edo State government with this one, 655 bags when reach Edo State. This one a complete pack. This one you get one 10 kg bag of rice, 10 kg bag of beans, one, 10 kg bag of gari, one. You get 2 packets of salt, will be 1 kg, and 4 liter oil for inside this pack. You understand? You see this rice? This rice is 10,730 bags of 10 kg. These ones too, they're also ready to go out. This one is semolina. We get 1,604 bags here, where we don't share remain out of the 10,000 bags. What we do here? You understand? This one is oil. This power oil, 3,200 cartons. Not the big before. But as we speak, we get 1,655 cartons left here. These items plus those combo pack and these ones will go out at the same time, because the next set of food when one come will start to come next week. So from now till weekend, all these things will come out there for you so that we'll get space to put some more. This one are cheese balls where children they chop. You understand? This one they are 5,000 pack for here. We are already talking to Subel people, because like they know that they get details of children for primary schools. We try to get across to the parents of the children so that we not just share the give people when all these things that will make meaning to. We get plenty of water here. We get plenty of drinks. These items, would they give them to frontliners and would they send them to isolation centers where victims dey? Would they give them to frontliners like police, like press people, all those people where they do this COVID-19 work every day for state government? Now then, all these people, PUOF, ESMA, that then they benefit from all these ones. Then the isolation centers, because those areas, they need plenty of fluid to fit boost their body system to meet up with the work where they have. So because of that one, these ones will give them to frontliners where they do the work. Since when the COVID-19 lockdown starts, since when state government starts the lockdown, now since then we start our project. These things what we want to do now third phase. Now we want to enter now. We don't do first phase when we capture 90,000 people. We don do second phase where we capture around 105,000 people, plus Muslims wey do fasting and salah. You understand? We don give to almost all the churches. The people wey we dey give na the vulnerable and the low people. That is why we dey get channel wey we dey take give them out. Governor Obaseki tell us the process, so long the lockdown dey for the state, the process will continue. We dey bring food together. We bring big bags together. We will repackage them into smaller bags where we dey give out 10 kg. Then we dey receive donations too. From here, we come send to our warehouse where dey Uromi. We send to our warehouse where dey Auchi, because the warehouse where dey Auchi na dey feed the 6 local government where dey Edo North. The one where dey Uromi na dey feed the 5 local government where dey Edo Central. Whereas this place dey feed both the 7 local government and those other 2 warehouses across the states.
Na here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo state government no abandon Edo people, as dem still get plenty ogbonge things to share for their warehouse. Make we join hand with federal government to take fight this yamayama disease wey don enter Naija soul. We go fit do this one if we follow laws wey federal government don put for ground, wey be to wash our hand with soap and water, use sanitizer, wear face mask and practice social distancing. Make una remember say na Till Life Media na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una.